I dare you to disappear for a year, not to escape life, but to rebuild one. A life you don't have to run from anymore. Most people want change, but they won't walk away from the things that are destroying them. Will you? Before you answer, listen. There comes a moment when life feels too loud, too crowded, too full of opinions that were never yours. You feel it, don't you? That quiet frustration inside whispering, I could be more. But every day, notifications pull you back. People drain you. Comfort traps you. And one day, you look in the mirror and you barely recognize who you've become. That's why I dare you to disappear. Not from the world, but from the noise. Because when the noise dies, something else wakes up. Imagine this, a full year where you stop explaining yourself. A year where no one sees your progress, but everyone feels your comeback. No posting, no bragging, just discipline, just discomfort, just work. A year where you choose early mornings over excuses, books over scrolling, growth over gossip, healing over hiding. You won't get applause. You won't get validation. You'll only get one thing, a stronger you. This year will feel lonely, but loneliness is not a punishment. It's preparation. And what it prepares you for is bigger than you think. In silence, your habits sharpen, your thoughts clear, your confidence rebuilds itself brick by brick. You start cutting off what drains you, and suddenly, life starts giving back. You'll realize the party wasn't worth it. The people weren't for you. The comfort wasn't helping you. You'll outgrow versions of yourself you once protected. You'll meet a version of you you never believed you could be. And when you finally walk back into the world, they won't understand what happened, where you went, how you changed so much. And that's the point. You didn't do it for their reaction. You did it for your resurrection. This year will cost you comfort, people, distractions, old habits, the weaker version of you. But the reward? A future you're proud to live in. Success doesn't scream. It whispers behind closed doors. In the discipline no one sees. In the sacrifices no one applauds. You pay the price now. So the future version of you doesn't have to. And in 365 days, your life will look nothing like it does today. So I'll ask you again, will you disappear for a year? Will you choose growth over noise? Will you choose discipline over distraction? Will you choose the future over the moment? This isn't about vanishing. It's about becoming. The world doesn't need to see your process. Let them see your results. Disappear now. Reappear unrecognizable. The next version of you is waiting.